It has been amazing, just the connections that you make with people, the inspiring speakers, just the atmosphere. It's so much fun. It's invigorating, it's exciting, it's cool to get into.
The conference is awesome. The culture of it's really inspiring and everyone's super happy and super bubbly, and we've just had such a great time.
I've really enjoyed coming together with lots of different people and feeling inspired and motivated to go home and think about everything about the kids, so like how I can be better for them.
I just feel so lucky to be here. I'm learning so much every day. I feel like I need a full week to digest each day's worth of content. It's just amazing. I feel grateful.
Never have I been at a conference that has more of a school camp where the teachers have lost control and the kids have gone wild kind of vibe, and it has been so fun.
I'm just really enjoying all the PD and getting to just learn new things and meet exciting, interesting people.
I feel like everyone's just been recharged and ignited the passion. It's been wonderful.
All the workshops have been super relatable, just lots of practical things we can take away to share with our teams and tamariki whānau, so yeah, it's been a great experience.
I've really enjoyed listening to the keynote speakers, and I've enjoyed the workshops, and I've taken away lots of gems.
This conference has been absolutely amazing, both fun, full of research, and just connecting with everybody after such a long time has been amazing. I couldn't recommend it highly enough, just incredible.
I've found this conference really inspiring, being able to make connections and learn new things and meet the people that are really involved and wanting to make a difference for ECE in New Zealand.
The conference has been really inspiring. I'm an office administrator and I've come along with my team. Got so much from it and going to take so much back. It's just been really awesome. Knowing the amount of work that people have put in over the years and to see it still going has been, yeah, just amazing. Thank you.